Here we have three examples where we can either use the formula or we can factorize them. For the first one, we have a common factor of x for both of those terms. So let's do that. We'll have x and then we'll have 3x plus 5, and that's all equal to 0. In this case, applying the zero product rule, we have x is equal to 0 or 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. In this case, subtract 5 from both sides. Then we'll have 3x being equal to negative 5. And in this case, we can now divide both sides by 3. So x is equal to negative 5 over. Not really. So let's tackle the next one. Again, we have factors that are known in this case, which would be x minus 4, x plus 3, all equal to 0. Again, in this case, we'll have x being equal to 4 or x being equal to negative 3. And then finally, wait. If we factorize correctly, that will give us x values of 4 or 5 to make this equation true. These solutions walk over there, and these two are the distinct solutions for the first equation. Let's move.
I underestimated you.
Yeah, well, maybe next time you will estimate me.